Hello guys, good evening, good morning, welcome back to my channel. This is Lisel Johnson, the Asian old woman. All you are welcome to my channel, and thanks for subscribing, liking, watching. Thank you guys, I appreciate you guys, love you all. Hi guys, magha-hiking kami. Ayan, labanan ng akyatan sa bundok, sa mabatong bundok. Go hiking, Mr. Johnson.
Freeways back on the AT for less than one of the 2,175 miles. We are right here, Baltimore, and where are we going? We don't know yet. The Asian old woman and Mr. Johnson, the middle-aged white man, are on the Appalachian Trail, so we are now Freaky Flow and Freeway. Yay. Going to the Bears Den View in Northern Virginia near Leesburg. But we're still going to our mystery destination. Looking forward, honey?
Yes.
Yeah, where are we going? It's a surprise, right?
Yep, surprise.
Yeah, but we got to get to the view because it's going to get cloudy soon, so we're enjoying the sun while it lasts. And then we might have some surprise weather tomorrow, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, okay, time out.
Yeah. All right. Pupunta mata sa bundok ba? Got around a kilometer, honey. We got this. Blue Blaze Trail. We're getting to the main AT. We're almost to the White Blazes Freaky Flow. Yeah, we don't know.
I'm tired, come on down. I'm tired, come on down.
Headed down, we made it.
Yep.
We found this interesting little Valentine on the way up. Let's see what it says. Whatever you are going through is meant as an opportunity for your growth, and only for your growth. You are doing great. Reminds me of a Sir Edmund Hillary quote.
Agree.
Yeah, you agree?
Yes, I agree.
Tama. Yeah, Tama, right?
Right.
Yeah. Because it reminds me of a Sir Edmund Hillary quote from, I put in my presentation in my 4th grade assembly when I ran that yesterday at my school. You don't conquer the mountain, you conquer yourself. It was along those lines. Because that's what the Appalachian Trail does to you. It transforms you. Yeah. At least it did for me, Freeway, 20 years ago. What about you, Freaky Flow? Yeah, you just want to get you just want to get lunch.
Yep.
Hi, welcome back to the Asian old woman. We're on the Appalachian Trail in Northern Virginia, but we're headed to our surprise destination. Just finished up at the view, but we got to beat the sunset to where we're going. We're in Bears Den, Virginia. You see a bear, poisonous snake, also hawks, pileated woodpeckers, and the Asian old woman has made it to the White Blazes.
I'm so tired.
Yeah, I think we're almost to the top of the hill, then we're just ridge walking, Freaky Flow.
Yep.
Okay. So honey, you said this is like where we went your first month in Amerika?
Yeah.
Yeah, very similar. That was Annapolis Rocks in Maryland. This is Bears Den View. Oh, and there's Chickadee. Kind of see it. You can hear it more than see it. There it goes, flying. Yeah, very similar kind of view, except it's around 50 miles hiking north. It would take around 4 days, 3 nights to hike there. Yeah, we earned that water. Well, Freaky Flo, or Gucci Girl, is that your new trail name? We made it. So we're in Bears Den Rock View, like Virginia-West Virginia border, but there's the Shenandoah River, that patch of water. You can see the higher mountains in the background. Asian old woman channel may be headed out to those higher mountains. We'll see. Yep. But enjoy the view while we're here. All right. Freeway just saw a little downy woodpecker, but it's time. All right, well, Freeway just saw a little downy woodpecker, but it's time to catch up with Freaky Flo. Nasaan si Matandang Babae ng Asia. Oh, Seguro sa Vista. Deep in the mountains, getting closer, a mystery destination. But what do you say, Monkey D needs a break?
Yep.
Yeah.
Stretching.
Yep. Let's go look at, looks like Dan Ingalls Overlook in Virginia, near the West Virginia border. Pulled off Interstate 81 at Stanton, spelled with a U. Been taking the mountain road, Virginia's Route 42 over here with the Asian old woman. Good juju here, honey?
Yes.
Yeah, talking about the good versus bad juju. We saw a little bit of both in that valley coming up, but here we go. Dan Ingalls Overlook. Looks like a storm rolling in for tomorrow, but it's not going to affect us at a surprise destination. But for now, looks like we're on top of a mountain. That's feet, not meters. A U.S. foot is around 1/3 of a meter, so that's like 600 meters. Like, go higher up than that in the Philippines, where the Asian old woman comes from, right?
Yes.
Mountains are taller than this in Belair, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're in the Appalachians, some of the most worn down, oldest mountains in the world, but they have their unique, they have their own specialness, I should say. Like, they're blue, look. That's why it's called the Blue Ridge. Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, I think Vietnamese. Yeah. Malamig si Asian old woman ba?
Yeah.
Okay. Yep. Goodbye for now.
Bye.
TikTokers ng Vietnam Long. Well, the Asian old woman is in Crisflo. It's very cold up there on the overlook, so goodbye, Dan Ingalls Overlook. Going to our next destination on our surprise trip.
Hello guys!
Oh,
Hello guys! Good evening! Ginagabi na kami dito.
Asian old woman has a second wind of energy.
Sobrang Maginaw. Maginaw.
Maginagdiao. Oh, I'm gonna learn those words. Don't worry. Yeah. So the Asian old woman is at Falling Springs Falls with middle-aged white man, Mr. Johnson. This is much nicer than I thought it was gonna be. This is right by U.S. Route 220, around an hour and a half out of Stanton. Again, that's spelled with a U. Like, how far from Baltimore would you say? How many hours driving? All day.
All day, guys.
Yeah, plenty of...
Valentine's travel. Valentine's travel.
Yep. We might take it back here in the spring. Oh, spring, no pun intended. Spring, like warm and hot springs. The resort towns. But we pass through to get the waterfall. Falling Spring Falls, Virginia. Soon to be in West Virginia. Over the horizon. Surprise destination coming soon. Sobrang pagod si Asian old woman.
I'm from night shift. 24 hours, no sleep.
Yeah, but you had a lot of strength. Good day, honey. You had a lot of strength.
Energy.
Yeah. Did hiking and a waterfall.
Yep. Oh
Yep. So we'll see.
2 miles. 2 miles, 1 mile.
Like 2 kilometers, like 3/4 of a mile each way. Yeah, and we did a lot of little around the view, so let's
I'm resting and I take a bath.
yeah, get some rest, and then we'll who knows what tomorrow will bring. It's our surprise destination here at the Asian Old Woman. Thanks for your likes, subscribes,
Good night.
all the good stuff. Yep. Night or good morning.
Good morning. Good night.
Yeah, good morning. Shout out to our family in Asia, Philippines, Taiwan. Shout out to all our fans all over the world. See you guys tomorrow or later today.